Good morning. Today it's going to look a little different in our academics, and a little bit throughout the week it'll look a little different. In our classroom, we're all just getting back together, and we were already separated. Some of us hadn't met each other because we were in enrichment when they were in school, or we were at home when they were in class. So, coming into the classroom today and a little bit throughout the week is different. We are learning how to go walk in our pods to stay away from other pods so that we can social distance. We are learning how we rotate through stations because now we can have stations, but we still have to learn to stay in our pod while we're at our station and not cross over to different pods. So, we're doing something called procedures in the classroom. We're learning that we don't talk when we're in stations, that if it's a station where we do talk, like we have a little puzzle station today, whisper so that only our group can hear us and no other pod can hear us. Because when you're in a station, Miss Axel's working with students. So that's why today it's going to look a little different because we are going to be doing procedure. So we're not doing a lot of academics. So you're not going to have anything in Bible. You're not going to have anything, I don't think, in math. And in reading, all we did for academic is we went over our sounds for the week and we were introduced to our spelling and our high frequency words. I switched spots real quick so you could see the spelling and high frequency words. So for spelling this week, we're going to be doing some short E sounds, and then we're going to add some SL and ST words. So your spelling words this week are yes, let, red, 10, bed, get, sled, step. Our short E sound says eh. And our high frequency words, we're going to be doing something with Dr. Seuss this week. And our high frequency words are after, draw, pictures, read, was, write. Will you read those with me? After, draw, pictures, read, was, write. All right. Then we're going to quickly review our sounds this week that we're going to add to it. Now, we know that these letters right here, if I can get it where you can see the bottom of the board. Let me flip my board a little bit. There we go. Move back. Can you see those? Yeah, there we go. Say that sound with me. Mm, t, nt. Now, if I put an E in front of it, can you read that with me? Ent, ent. So if I could put a nonsense word here, that's okay. We don't mind if they're nonsense words. It's still good for us to be able to read them. Go ahead and read that with me. Shent, shent. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and change the beginning sound with a new letter. And again, this was a nonsense word. What does that say? Fent. Good job. Let's try this one. Kent. That's a nonsense word, except for it could be a name, but if it were a name, it would be a capital letter. How about this word? Vent. Good job. And that's a real word. Now, first grade, if I change my vowel to A, now sometimes we know that A says ea, ea. So let's go ahead and read let's take the beginning sounds off and go ahead and read that. Ant, ant. So now I want to go ahead and put some beginning sounds. Go ahead and read that for me. Gant, shan't. Get another letter in there. Nonsense word. Jant. Good job. And try that one. Bant. All right, on the next slide, I am going to be having you write the words that I say.